you for joining me in my SAP S/4HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will be reviewing reversal posting reason. We will create a reversal posting reason and then review negative posting. We will permit negative posting and then create and define negative posting reversal reason. We will also create a transaction and then reverse it in normal reversal. And then we will also create a customer invoice and reverse it in negative entries or negative reversal. So let's kick off by going to SPRO or SIMG. Go to your command field and type SIMG or SPRO. In the SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, go to Financial Accounting node, and then from Financial Accounting node, go to Accounts Receivable and Payable node, and from Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable node, go to Business Transaction node, okay, and from Business Transaction node, go to Adjustment Posting Reversal node. Then scroll down, minimize this one, and then here we have define reasons for reversal. So if you want to show the path, right mouse click, show the path, and you may copy the path and paste it to your Word or Excel. And you may also want to copy the T code, although it's a long T code. This one, you can copy this one so you can go directly. Okay, let's go back. Let's execute. Define reason for reversal, execute it. So here we can see a lot of uh, customized reversal reason already created by other users. Normally there are only 5, so I'm no longer sure which reversal reason is the standard. So anyway, we will create our own customized reversal reason. Let's check what's available. So let's create Z1, click new entries, and then our reversal reason number is Z1, and our text is wrong amount with specified date. So if we click this one, it's alternative posting date. So that's why we specified date. Okay, so click save and then create our new customizing request. And let's put here define reversal posting, reversal posting reason. Okay, let's put our company code UK2 and then click save and then hit enter or click on continue and the data was saved. Now we can create a customer invoice and then reverse it with reversal reason Z1. Okay, go to our command field /O to open a new window and then FB70 to create a customer invoice. Okay, from here, let's select a customer and search for your customer in your own company code. Mine is TUK2. Click the check button. I'll be creating a transaction in Midland. Okay, let's use this one, Midland. Double click or hit enter. Invoice, my invoice date. Let's use, okay, let's use 21 also. Later, we will use an older date. Calculate tax. Okay, and then our reference, reversal entry 00, just 001, or invoice reversal entry. Okay, that's our reference. Our text is invoice reversal. Oops. reversal entry 001 and scroll down. Use our revenue code, which is 600,000. Okay, and then our amount is, let's choose 100 GBP, and then this is taxable. Let's click our tax codes, and we will use A6, the standard about output, 10%. And let's click enter. So we'll have it checked. Enter through account. You can do that by going to the details, double click the GL account, and you will go to uh, correct GL account item. And to do that, correct it, we need a WBS element or an order. I'm going to choose to put in a internal order. Click search and put in your controlling area. My controlling area is ZTUS, US, and then hit enter or click the continue or check button. And then we will use this one, order type 120 TUK2 or TK02 controlling uh, in this business area, TUK02. And we will put in a tax and reverse invoice reversal entry 001. Okay, go back and simulate. Let's check. There is an error message. There is a required field in output payable. We can see that in the error line. Uh, error type error item 003 must be corrected. Okay, click continue or check box or button. And from line 3, double click or click here, choose. And then as you can see, the text is compulsory. So let's put in is this one, invoice reversal entry. So back, and now our post button is available. So let's post it, and our transaction has been posted. Okay, we can check this or view the document in by clicking on the document menu and then click on display item. And then we can see here our GL accounts, and for the revenue, this is our customer account and this is our output VAT. That's our VAT payable. We can view it in the general ledger view. The customer will be changed to the trades receivable, okay, which is 120, 101, and that's our currency. And we can go to the header, check the details. Okay. So this time we'll check also in FBL 1N, 5N for the customer detail line. Little details. So slash O to open a new window, FBL5 for customer and for new enter. And our customer is, let's search for it. Our company code is TUK2. That's correct. And we created for Midland. And that's okay. Open items. Let's execute. And that there we have our 400. That's new. Okay. So let's also check the balances for the customer. We can go here. From here, we can type in FD10N, or let's open a new window to help you find it in the SAP Easy Access. So if in SAP Easy Access, you can go to accounting, and then in financial accounting, you can choose general ledger, accounts receivable or accounts payable. Let's go first in the uh, for our customer, we will go to accounts receivable and then document entry. Mm, no, it's in account. Here, account. And here we can see FD10N display balances. So double click this and just double check if this is our customer. Yes, this is our customer, Midland, and fiscal year is correct and company code is correct. Let's execute and we will see the balances. In here we have debit, credit, and then balance, and the cumulative balance, and then the grand total or the total balance for debit and credit. So receivable is a debit normal balance, so should be positive uh, when you have a debit balance. So reductions to a debit balance is credit. So the normal entry to reduce this is to put in a credit transaction. So that's for accounting. To reduce a receivable, we have to create a negative a credit. Okay, let's reverse this entry. So from SAP Access, we can go to accounting and go to financial accounting. And from here, we can use general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable. We will choose the accounts receivable and then uh, document entry, document, and then reverse. Here below, reverse. So we have FB08 for individual reversal and F.80 for mass reversal. I believe this is also the same for the accounts payable. So you have document and then reverse. So the same T code FB08 and F.80, and also the same for the general ledger. Uh, Go to document and then to reverse. And here we are. We have the same T codes. Okay, we will use the accounts receivable and individual reversal. Let's double click. The company code is correct, the fiscal year is correct, and let's check the transaction, the document number. See this one. Let's go back. And this is our document number. Our transaction is 400. We will correct, we will reverse this so we can change the amount. So 9013. So we can search from here, or we can just type in 90000013. Okay, reversal reason. We have created a reversal reason earlier, Z1. Scroll down. Okay, this one. This is ours, Z1. And then we can put in the posting date as today, and the posting period is the current period. So it is okay. We can go display before reversal, and we will know if there are errors. And document does not exist in 2026. Let me double check. Okay, we missed a zero. Let's try it again. Hit enter, and there we have it. So We let's go back just to show it. We click display before reversal, and then this is our this will be our transaction, our reversal, revenue output bad negative. Okay, let's display the general ledger view, and it will be this. Okay, so let's go back and then hit enter and then post. In our document, our transaction was posted. We can check first in FBL5N, which is this one, and we'll just need to go back to refresh the transaction. This is our customer account, and we need to select all items for normal item types. Okay, click execute, and our transaction was reversed and it's already cleared. With this was our invoice in the yard, and this is our reversal entry, negative 400. And we will check it in the customer balances and how it was recorded. Let's go back. This is our customer. Okay. And we will click execute. As you can see, a reduction to the normal debit balance is in an entry to the credit balance. So in the balance, 400 was deducted to the debit amount. So this is 1,225 GBP. That's correct. And this is the normal way for reducing a normal debit balance, which is receivable. We will now define a negative reversal entry. Let's see if we still have that window. Okay, this one. Okay, let's just go back, or just continue with this one. Anyway, this is SIMG, and we are in review overview of adding entries. Okay, let's add in Z2 as our reversal reason, and let's let's put in reversal with negative entry. Okay, okay, and then click save, and the data was saved. We can use this now, but first let's create a new transaction. Let's try to find a different customer, create an invoice, and then so let's close this one and also this one. How many windows do we have? Okay, let's use this one. Slash n FB70 to create an invoice. We will select a different customer. Hopefully there are no transactions for that customer so we can see the difference in the entries. And let's choose tech supply. Tech supply. Let's check first if there are entries with tech supply to make sure. Let's go to FD10N to display the balance details, and the customer is one. Okay, and execute. Let's execute. And there's a balance. No, this is 2. That's Midland. Said 1. Okay. And then execute. Oh, there's a balance of 250. Let's try another customer. I think let's search from here. Highland. I think I have not used Highland yet. Let's check. Execute. Okay, there's no data for Highland. Let's use this. Okay. And that's 0. Invoice date. Yes, Highland. And invoice date is today. Double click that and click on calculate tax and then reverse customer reverse. Oops. Customer reverse. Invoice reversal 02. Okay, so customer invoice reversal 002. Okay, scroll down and oops, scroll down. And our GL account is 600,000. That's correct. Oops. Yes, I need to enter a valid tax code. We will put in amount of 350 so we can easily see it. And we will use a fat amount A6. Okay. So let's hit enter to check if there are errors. Enter a true account. Let's double click the line in the GL account so we can encode the details, other details. Okay, from here we can put WBS or WBS elements or order. We will choose order for now to choose a valid controlling area. That's ZTUS. And then click check, continue, and we will use this one. TUK2, TUK2, okay, order type, and then order number 461. We'll put check customer invoice reverse 002 customer, and then go back and then simulate, click simulate to check the details, and it looks fine, although there's an error message. And if you click the error log, we can see that there's an error message. Item 003 must be corrected. And this is the required text field. So click and then choose by clicking that icon or hit enter or double click. And you can see this is a required field. And then let's put in the customer invoice reversal 02. So, and click back. And our post button is available now. We can post this transaction. And our transaction has been posted. Let's go to our other window. Not that one. This one. Let's go back here and execute and check that our transaction, yes, our transaction has been properly recorded as debit and we have a debit balance. We will now reverse the entry. But before that, if let's also check in FBL5N. So let's open a new window, /O in your command field, and then FB L for line, and then 5 for customer, and then N for new. Hit enter, and is that over to customer? Let's double check. 2K2, and our customer is this one. Hmm, Highland. This is Highland. Okay, open items, and then scroll down, normal items, execute, and that's it. Free 350. Highland supply. Okay, it's good. Let's go back to this invoice and then let's reverse it. We will use T code FB08. So /n in your command field and then type in FB08 and hit enter. And our document number. This is the company code and this is the fiscal year. That's correct. Our document number is in here. This is it. It's A14, 9 series 14. So, okay. So our reversal reason, we will change it to Z2 for negative reversal entry. Okay, Z2. Okay. First, we will have an error here. We need to check whether we have configured a reversal, negative reversal entry. So slash, we're already in SAP Access, so SIMG, okay, and then from SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, we will go to Financial Accounting Node, and from a Financial Accounting Node, we will go to Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable Node, and from the Accounts Payable and Receivable Node, we will go to Business Transaction Node, and from Business Transaction Node, we will go to Adjustment and Posting Reversal, and minimize this, and here we have permit negative entries. Execute this and then find our company code if there's already an available company code, TUK2, and hit enter or check. Okay, so we will have an error with that. So we need to click this one. Negative posting is permitted and click post, and then define reversal posting. We'll save it in here, so it's okay. So click continue, and now let's continue our reversal using Z2. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay. So let's see. Display before reversal. Okay. So revenue negative 318. Output VAT is also a negative value. So that's what you will have in the general ledger view. You will see that 50 is a credit balance. It's negative was used. So credit, that's credit, and negative was used. And then 50, that's credit and negative was used. Let's go back to the entry view and then, okay, let's go back and then post, click post. And document 14005 was posted. So let's check the balances on that here. Okay, that. Let's see. Okay, let's use this one, FD10N. And Let's go back, and then that's our customer. Execute it again. This is a normal entry. This is a normal entry, so we had an error. Let's double check. Okay. So there you go. We forgot to check this too. And then let's save it. We need another transaction. Let's create quickly. We hope we have another customer. So let's go back and let's search. Let's create quickly a customer. Think global. Let's check global. Okay. Let's use global. Let's go to FB 70. From here, let's go to FB 70 slash N FB 70. Okay, let's choose our customer, click check, and then choose global and choose current date, and then reverse IRE02, that's 003, and then click calculate tax, and then the customer invoice reversal 003. Okay, scroll down, and our GL account is 600,000. Our amount is, let's choose 520, and then let's put in 10% VAT. That's A6. Let's double check, click it, and okay, it's double checked. And oh, A0, it's A6. Hit enter to check the details, double click the line to put in the order number. So ZTUS for our controlling area, and then we will choose the second line and then put in here the customer invoice reversal. This is number 3, and then go back and then simulate, and we have an error that will be in the uh, text. This is required text, and then customer invoice reversal. It's already 3. Okay. Yes. And then go back and then post. Okay, so let's check it here in FD10N. So that's our 520 GBP. Let's reverse it with transaction with FB08. So slash N FB08, and our document number. We will need to check the details. From here, you can check the details. Double click the line, and we will see here that 0015, and we have 5 zeros and 15. So 9, 5 zeros and 15. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, and then we will use Z2. That's our reversal reason, and display before reversal, and still the same. Shows the same. General view. Let's check it. Create receivables. It looks the same, but we will see. Let's just double check that the reversal entry negative has been posted. Let's go back And let's go down. Yes, Z2 was selected. Let's go back and just to double check. Okay, so let's reverse it. Hopefully we will able to reverse it properly. So from here, let's post it. Let's post the reversal. And yeah, our document was posted 14006. Let's check here if our transaction is already in FBL5N. Oh, that's not. So first here, let's execute. And that's how a negative reversal should be. The debit balance will be reduced in an equal amount, so there will be no transaction details. To double check that our transaction was properly reversed, let's go to a, a new window /O and FBL for line, and then 5 for customer, and N for new, hit enter. And that's not the customer. Let's just search for it. Okay, and then check. And is it global? And let's item selected. That's we need to click all items because it's already cleared. Right, that's it. 250. This is our reversal. Okay, so it looks good here. And in our GL balances, mm, it's the same here, but it is presented differently in display balances. The debit is reduced by the same amount. That's why it's all blank, as if nothing happened here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.